Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you GK chapter 2 nicknames. In this chapter we are going to know about the sobriquets of famous persons. Sobriquet means a nickname or an unofficial title given to somebody. There are many famous personalities who are better known with their nicknames. Here are nicknames of famous personalities from India that you should know about. Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das was a freedom fighter. He was popularly known as Deshbandhu, which means a friend of the nation. Jawaharlal Nehru is also known as Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. His birth anniversary is celebrated as the Children's Day in whole India on 14th of November. Chacha Nehru loved children the most. Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan was a freedom fighter. He is popularly known as Loknayak, meaning people's leader. He is also known as hero of the Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Hindu family on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, state of India. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Father of Nation because of his great contribution in India's freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose is also called Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose is also known as Netaji and he played an important role in making the country independent. The Azad Hind Fauj was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev. Rabindranath Tagore was born in Calcutta on 7th May 1861. He was a great poet. He became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize. He wrote the national anthem of our country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as Iron Man of India. He was an Indian politician. He was given the title of Sardar due to his amazing quality of leadership. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian freedom fighter. He was the first leader of the Indian national movement. The Indian people gave him the name of Lokmanya, which means the one whom everyone respects. Madan Mohan Malviya, Mahamana, Madan Mohan Malviya is also called Mahamana. He was born on December 25, 1861 in Allahabad. He was the founder of Banaras Hindu University. Students, hope you have found this chapter interesting. So try to learn the nicknames of these famous personalities that we have discussed today. Thank you.